Using the five senses for home decor is so important for a peaceful, unified space. We'll be keeping the five senses in mind for this outdoor living makeover. So let's get started by taking a look at the before. I had done a mini makeover last summer for really cheap. I think I only paid like $10 to dress up this boring patio. But this year we are going all out and getting new furniture and decor since I'm really appreciating this Colorado weather after living through so many hot Texas summers in my lifetime. I found most of these items on Amazon, so I will make sure to link anything I mention in the description box below. Let's start with the first of the five senses, sight. I love Pottery Barn, so I started by looking at some of their inspiration photos online. Building a mood board is so important because it gathers all of your favorite ideas in one place, and then you can pick out exactly what you like about all of your inspiration photos. I liked the sectional idea and having lots of pillows, and also wanted a table that was high enough to eat at or bring my laptop out and work at. It seems like all of these patio designs have a similar color scheme. They took one or two colors and worked them into most of the decor items. Since the walls of our patio are a taupe color, I will play off of that and work it into the color scheme of everything we purchase. I found a beige grill cover to replace the black one. You can see what a difference just a grill cover can make, and it's such a cheap purchase too. I found some beige furniture. It was really nice having this large package shipped right to our doorstep. It came with the pillows for the sofa, but I wanted a few more pillows because Pottery Barn always involves lots and lots of pillows in their looks. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name is Maria, and I share home decor, DIYs, and crafts every Friday. If you like creative inspiration for your home, make sure to subscribe and share what kind of decor videos you want to see. To add more beige, I got these panels because I think curtains really give this space a great cabana by the pool feel, even though we don't have a pool. We just drilled hooks into the wall and got the tie backs, and they look really elegant hanging on this outdoor curtain rod. I had seen these planters at Pottery Barn, and I liked the idea of having something like this on that plain stucco wall, but I wanted to use white as an accent color to break up all the beige. I found these online for much cheaper than the Pottery Barn ones. You could put real plants in these, but I filled mine with fake ones because they would be hung a little bit high, and I thought they'd be hard to reach for watering. For more pops of white, I got a garden stool. And I got this pot for some succulents. With succulents, you want to use a special soil. And also add a layer of rocks on top. Make sure their roots are fully below the soil, and then wait a day or two before watering so that they can settle into their new home. I thought these would look great on the table out there when we're not using it for dining. Let's talk about the sense of smell. I bet you could guess how we're going to add a nice scent to this backyard patio with some flowers. Since moving to Colorado, I have been in awe of all the different flowers that they have here. There's just so many different varieties that we didn't have in Texas. There was a nice variety and beautiful colors and scents at Lowe's, so I picked up these, which are supposed to grow really well in Colorado, and I planted them in a gray pot that I had found on Amazon. And this pot did come in a set of two, but this plant happened to just fit in one. So I'll use the other one for something else. So adding flowers is a great way to give your patio space a really nice scent. But if you're allergic to flowers or you just don't like caring for them, then you could always put a little essential oil diffuser outside and just have it going while you're enjoying the outdoors. Or you could buy some scented candles and place them in some lanterns on your patio. The sense of touch is all about mixing and matching several different types of textures to make the space more interesting. Start by looking at what you already have in your space. We have stucco on the walls, which is a very rough texture. I want to add some softness in the form of pillows, rugs, and maybe a throw or two. I put a ruggable out here, which is a washable rug. You just peel off the top layer and you throw it into the washing machine. This is perfect for outdoor use because if it gets dusty, throw it into the laundry. For sound, I have a couple different ideas for you. In our case, we wanted to block noises from the outside world while we're in our little pretend cabana. So the curtains not only protect us from the elements and provide privacy, they also create a bit of sound barrier. You could pick up a small water feature for your patio. I've had something like this in the past, and they really add a nice water sound, and it's really soothing to listen to while you're sitting outside. Another option would be to bring out some music. I have a Jawbone speaker, and you can put waves crashing or spa type music if you want a relaxing time on your patio, or you could get some fun tunes going for a small get together. I like that this speaker is cordless, so I can have it charged and no worries about plugging it in anywhere. So for taste, you may be wondering, how in the world do you work that into home decor? Well, for me, I wanted this area to be somewhere to enjoy a meal or some morning coffee or tea. It's just a peaceful, relaxing outdoor living area, and it definitely invites us to dine at this table. So let's create a little outdoor dining tablescape. I had already duped this tray from Pottery Barn, and I will link that tutorial below for you. I did do a printable for that. It seemed like a lot of the Pottery Barn summer decor is using black and white this year, so I brought out these black rimmed dishes, and I think they add a nice stark pop with the beige color scheme, and they tie in with the white accents that I used. Another way to bring in warmth to your space is to add some light with lanterns on the dining table. Dressing up an outdoor dining table makes it feel special and inviting. So now that we have all 5 senses covered for our patio makeover, here is a reminder of the before. And here is the final reveal. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas every Friday. I have more dupes and room makeovers coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye!